It's 1st January 2026 and I'm done waiting for my life to change. They say it takes 365 days to change your life. So here's my attempt to finally change mine. Have you ever looked in the mirror and realized you don't even recognize the person staring back at you? Not because something dramatic happened, but because somewhere between surviving and pretending to be okay, you slowly disappeared. That's where I have been. Lost, confused, exhausted. Showing up for everyone except myself. And that's why today I'm starting something different. I'm gonna be posting 365 videos in the next 365 days. Not a glow up challenge, not a makeover, not a highlight reel, but a real, raw journey of rebuilding myself. Discipline, mental health, identity, confidence, everything. Because I have been struggling with bipolar disorder, with ADHD, with insomnia, with anger, with losing myself and having no idea how to come back. And I don't want to pretend anymore. This year, I want to document it all. The chaos, the healing, the breakthroughs, the lonely days, the small wins, the parts nobody shows online. And I don't want to only post the good parts. I want to post the good, the bad, the ugly. So here we go. Because real transformation doesn't happen overnight. It happens quietly in the moments when you choose to keep going when no one is watching. I'm not resetting. I'm reintroducing myself. Hi, I'm Ananya. And I'm trying to find my way back to myself, one day at a time. If you feel stuck, lost, behind, or disappointed in yourself too, start with me. Pick one tiny habit for the next 365 days. Just one. We don't need to be perfect. We just need to show up. Comment day one I'm in, because maybe 365 days from now, you and I will look back at this video and realize this was the moment everything started to shift. And that's day one of my 365 videos in 365 days challenge. I'll see you tomorrow with another video. Bye.